kids! We're back with more colors and animal friends.
Are you ready? Let's hop into the fun! The red parrot goes squawk, squawk, squawk. Squawk, squawk, squawk. Red! The blue whale goes woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Blue! The yellow lion goes roar, roar, roar. Roar, roar, roar. Yellow! The green snake goes hiss, hiss, hiss. Hiss, hiss, hiss. Green! Red, blue, yellow, green. Easter joy, it's time to sing. Red, blue, yellow, green. Hop along, let colors ring. The orange orangutan goes ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Orange. The purple hippo goes grunt, grunt, grunt. Grunt, grunt, grunt. Purple. The pink flamingo goes squawk, squawk, squawk. Squawk, squawk, squawk. Pink. The brown horse goes neigh, neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Brown. Orange, purple, pink, brown. Easter joy, it's time to sing. Orange, purple, pink, brown. Hop along, let colors ring. The white seal goes arf, arf, arf. Arf, arf, arf. White! The black penguin goes tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Black! The gray koala goes sniff, sniff, sniff. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Gray! The rainbow peacock goes squeal, squeal, squeal. Squeal, squeal, squeal. Rainbow!